Jerry and I are heading for a bike ride to Mokane. We're going to Mokane and then going to ride to Hermann on the Katy. Stopped at a gas station to get some food. Gear's loaded up on the back of his car. We're here at this Kingdom City. Have these gas stations with nice place to some food and stuff. They left some stuff on there. It's riding okay. Mokane, we're here. It's the start of our journey.
We beat the rush.
We're the only ones here. That's true. There is no one else here, which is fine. We're gonna head east out to toward Hermann. It's a nice day though. It's like only supposed to be a high of like 83 degrees today. So beautiful weather. We can't complain about that. Hey.
What?
2 bananas.
Twin bananas. Look at that. That's an omen.
You know what that is? That's a trail angel.
Yeah. That's hilarious.
They do have water here. And they do have bathrooms. Pretty nice. Interesting rock. Nine miles in at Portland. Nice little community. Got a little bar over here. Looks like it's open. Showers you can pay for. Restroom right there. Boat ramp. Little picnic area that people hang out, and that's the Missouri River right there. Pretty day. So you're like a regular here now? Is that the deal?
How many times you got to be here to be a regular?
I don't know.
Well, I'm a repeat customer, and I consider myself to be a potential regular.
All right. How do you say that?
I'm saying it's Fernway.
Fernway Distilling Company. They make whiskey.
Wheat whiskey.
Wheat,
rye. And then they've
And
got
then
their
young.
bourbon. They've got some moonshine.
Ooh, moonshine. Fried pickles. They're pretty good too, aren't they?
I like them. Yeah.
They're actually pretty delicious. If you've never had fried pickles, you should try it. They're pretty good. Sort of deep fried, and that's some kind of a like dressing, aioli, ranchy kind of taste to it. It's really good though. What's that?
That appears to be wheat whiskey.
On a giant block of ice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's very light colored, the wheat is.
It's pretty.
It is. You have to tell me what you think of it. How's it?
Smells awfully good.
It's probably going to be kind of sweet, I would think, but
It's really good.
yeah, not bad. Good deal. Pulled pork, salad. Jerry got the pulled pork and the beans. Man, looks good. Yum, yum, yum.
Big old roll.
What's that you're wearing, though?
Had to have some sleeves.
It's July what? What's today, the 29th?
28.
28th. July 28th. I had to put a jacket on because it's so cool out here.
Because I'm used to 94-degree weather or something.
Crazy.
All of a sudden it's 15 degrees cooler.
It's insanely cool for July.
Yeah.
Looks
because,
like
we don't.
Looks like a whiskey bag to me. I bet he bought a bottle. So what you see there is a levee that goes along the river to help with flood prevention. Starts here, goes down through there. They put spike strips in there to keep people from driving on the levee. Hey, that's where that. Yeah, so I say you can't take your Chevy on that levee. Interesting. That's to help control floodwaters. $8:56 p.m. We made it. That sky, though.
Tiny bit of light left.
Just a little bit of light.
Got some cobweb.
Me too. I feel like I'm covered in cobwebs. That was 26.5 miles. So that should be 53 miles today. So it was just right at 5 hours, right?
Yeah, I got like, here, 4 hours and 50 minutes.
4 hours and 50 minutes, 53 miles. So we picked up the pace a little bit on the way back, I think.
Yeah.
It was a good ride though, but it got dark at the end. It was like,
Yeah.
it was like there were patches of the trees where it was just black, so you just go straight.
Yeah. Just
We were
kinda
booking it. So.
hoping that's right for the pale ribbon in front of you.
Yeah, thanks for coming along with us. We'll see you again soon.